is Chandler Smith, and today, me and my friends are launching a sneaker store. We were all here till, what, 2, 3 in the morning last night? 3:30 in the morning last night.
Earlier that day.
And we probably should have recorded last night, but we're gonna take you through the experience of launching a sneaker store on very short notice. We didn't really have a business plan. Luckily, we had a Yogi who made it all happen. Yogi, how are the pants fit?
Fit like a glove.
The most important part when launching a sneaker store, we've come to determine, is having a bunch of cool shoes and a bunch of cool outfits. When it comes to the systems and processes, how are we doing?
We'll figure it out later.
We'll get there.
Subpar at best. We're hoping we can collect payment. We're also hoping that we have some sort of inventory system, but we do have a lot of cool shoes. So with all of that being said, let's jump into it.
Yeah, baby!
What are they called?
Nike Legend 77, first use sporting.
The last shoe right here.
We hope!
We hope.
All right, we are about 40 minutes from when we were hoping people show up for the opening of the shoe store. We are opening while school is still in session, so we're thinking that might give us a little bit of trickle before a lot of the high school kids roll up. How are we feeling, Garrett? Look a little stressed.
We're vibing.
So we've got payment good to go, shoes are on the wall and priced, and we're hoping all the neighbors don't call the cops because we are expecting a lot of cars, but who knows, maybe nobody will show up. To be fair, I know a lot of times I'll post stuff and claim ownership for it. The reality is everybody's put in a lot of work, but Garrett, this is kind of his baby. Garrett, how's it been the last couple weeks getting everything ready to roll?
It's been good. It's been busy. But it's been good.
How have you felt everybody else coming in ready to get the hype after you put in all the work?
I'm just grateful for the help. We had some long nights.
Definitely, you more than the rest of us.
Nah, it's team effort.
But we're just gonna make this video kind of unique. We might tell you bits and pieces of how it came together, but the reality is we all kind of fell in love with shoes, and the town we live in, Idaho Falls, Idaho, just doesn't have a shoe store. So we thought, hey, we love them, so we're sure other people will love them, and we kind of just sent it. So we're gonna see how it goes and kind of let you be a part of the process of opening a business that we've never opened before, and we may or may not feel slightly unprepared, but we're just gonna figure it out as we go. All right, guys, come on in the back. We are officially open.
It all started with us just buying a couple, and then we started getting.
Looking good, Matt. Your teeth look great.
Did it?
Yeah, try in the camera.
Wait, do I?
I
fogged it.
So, end of the day, we sold a lot of shoes.
How many shoes did we sell?
I can count the shoes, but we sold about $14,000 worth.
How much in cash?
No, I think
No,
that's
like $700. We did $700 cash, and then over.
Did you include the cash you didn't write
1,300-ish.
down? at the start?
So,
And then we got a little on Venmo.
obviously this wouldn't be a reality,
700.
Oh, that's it.
but
We've already.
if we were to
plus
make
400.
$14,000 a day, not gonna happen, but it's fun to run the numbers on it.
Could happen.
And if we were to be open
Rumor
24/7,
has it Kyrie Irving's coming to shop here.
we could gross $5.1 million
Wow.
if we could do that every day.
Oh, hold on, it's
I
more than
wouldn't
that,
be
guys.
bad.
Oh, how much?
Hold up, give me like.
Did you not include the clothes?
No.
We actually sold a lot of clothes.
Think
Okay,
that
so we're actually closer to 15,000.
15,000.
Oh,
We also think maybe someone stole some stuff, but we don't know. Really?
Because Ryan
It
and
was me.
Ryan and Jeff were too busy flirting, bro.
Yeah, dude.
What do you mean?
We didn't
have any.
We didn't realize that our two single owners were just gonna be hitting on any of the cute girls that came in.
no, you did. Cole,
Cheers.
you got 40.
So, how many phone numbers did we get on the day for our single boys? Awesome. Well, guys, we were going to talk more throughout it, but it really was a lot. I think all of us made approximately $8 an hour each.
No, we're actually made good money.
Actually, we
Better than real estate, dude.
But it was a ton of fun, and we really hope that you guys enjoyed the experience with us. Anything else to add?
Sneak easy for life.
The fit, dude. So if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure remember to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell, and if you're in Idaho Falls, make sure you come by and check out our brand new sneaker store, because we may or may not be here depending on how things go moving forward.
Yeah, we'll be here.
No, well, we individually might not, depending on if we can hire people and stuff.
Look at this guy.
All right, guys, thanks. Have a great day.
You need to end that cooler.
Okay.